Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This video will show you how to check your to view your analytics on YouTube, but on the particular playlist on your channel, whatever it is. So first you have to go to this channel analytics and then the advanced mode, and then here you can see on the top there is, maybe you're missing this feature. There is a uh, search column, and then you can see this is if you click this one, you can see there are options like all videos, groups, and then the playlist. So here, for example, I want to click this playlist, and then as you can see, this is filtered only the playlist that I chosen before. And then also you can see the traffic source leading to this playlist, and then of course obviously the playlist, traffic source, playlist page, channel pages, and etc. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's, please subscribe our channel, or you can click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Bye.